Okay, get out of my kitchen, everyone now. This is a sublime recipe, corn chowder soup, but I'm gonna put some beautiful Asian, gorgeous, fragrant isms into it just to bring it home, something a little bit different. This is a great recipe, seriously. It's one of those ones that just keep giving back to your body. It's quite amazing. Some chopped onion, nice and fine. Some garlic as well, finely chopped. Now I have some lemongrass here that I've finely chopped. Now be mindful of this. You want to use the softer part of the lemongrass, which is down the bottom where the root is. Really important, like that, where actually the base of the lemongrass is. And the reason why I say fine, because they're like little fingernails. And you want to really chop them down quite finely because it kind of gets like caught in your teeth and you're like, oh my God, really? I've got some baby corn just because I have. There's no reason, you don't have to get it. I'm just going to use that as a garnish, part of this dish. I've got some gorgeous, fragrant Kafir Lime, and when you just scrunch them up and smell this, oh, it just transports you to another country. It's quite exquisite. Some yellow capsicum, some standard yellow corn on the cob, and some fresh coriander. I know, right? I'm gonna bring it home with these beautiful fragrant isms that we've got here, and I've got some coconut milk. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to have a pot ready, which I have ready, and we're going to take the kernels off the cob. Oh, my knife is not sharp, Weera. It's very sad, actually. You know, when you come over, you got to sharpen my knives, dude. Do not throw these away. Do not throw these away, okay? Great, this is what we're gonna do. Coconut oil. Do I have any coconut oil? No, I don't, that's okay. I've got this beautiful olive oil. So, pan on. Nice splash. Okay. Into here goes this glory. And then you've got your yellow capsicum. Onion. Garlic. That really finely chopped lemongrass. Kind of forgot there for a minute. I was like, what is that ingredient? Okay. This is sizzling nicely. Weira's in the kitchen. Hi, Weira.
Hi.
What we're doing is we're gathering up flavour through the sweetness and the natural sugars that are in these amazing vegetables. Garlic has sugar in it, onion has sugar in it, corn has sugar in it. Oh my God. And we're pulling that out just naturally. Building blocks of flavour is salt. Shower that with salt. It's beautiful. Oh my God, salt is like the one ingredient that just can bring a slice of tomato on a piece of bread home, you know? It just really does. It's just amazing. Pepper, this is still sizzling away. My heat is on high. I know my stove, it's a constant dance. You're just moving things around. Not after anything to brown here. I like to, at this point, this has been cooking for about 1.5 minutes. I like to taste. I like to taste my spoon. It's what us chefs do. We like to taste the beginning, the middle, and the end of a dish. It's our gig. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Okay, and this is where we get these Kafir lime leaves. I've got 3. I've got like what? 3, yeah, that would make 3. Doesn't matter, you can have 2, doesn't matter. And all I'm gonna do is scrunch them. Bless them, thank God for delivering such beauty to us in the flavour of this exquisite leaf. Can you smell that? Can you smell that?
Yeah.
I know, it's so nice. So it's been about 3 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes all up, you know, kind of dancing with it. We're not burning anything, remember? We're allowing those beautiful sugars to come out. Now, why have I kept these? Well, this is like the the stock of plant-based cooking. Never throw these away, trust me. They have so much flavor. It's like the bones of plants, right? And this is the thing when you're building flavor, you've got to use as much as you can as possible. And this is why this kitchen is filled with nuts, seeds, legumes, grains, fruits, vegetables, all the things, right? Because we're building flavor. So they are gonna go there any minute now, and then we're gonna top it up with that beautiful coconut milk. Cobs in. On top of that is my coconut milk. The cobs are just going to sit on top of this. Come and have a look, ladies. Come over here and have a look so you know what to do when you're at home. This is the beauty of cooking and having friends over, right? You guys get to learn all the little tips and tricks. Because you never would have thought that, would you?
Never.
Ever. Because it just brings out so much flavour. And curry powder, like you ladies suggested, I reckon like a teaspoon. Smell.
Is this a sweet one?
It's a sweet one. What do you think, a teaspoon?
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay.
We had some spicy.
Oh, you want some chili? Oh! Where's the chili? Do I have chili? I do. I've got a few seeds left here. Just a little bit of chili. Okay. Yeah? You're done? You good? Okay.
Yeah.
Great. And the lid's going to go on and it's going to cook, come to the boil. I reckon cook it for like, what, 5 minutes, you reckon?
Yes.
Okay, there we go. This has been cooking for about 10 minutes and the place smells just beautiful, doesn't it? Yeah. There's a real lovely scent to it and subtle. And I noticed with different parts of the world, the corn is sweeter and sometimes it's really mild. Remember we've had corn chowder before, it was quite mild, right? Yeah. So it just depends on the soil, the health of the, that area, the health of the farmer, the energy, the whole piece comes through, right? It's not just, why is that corn not great enough? He didn't grow it right. No, it's a whole encompassing energy of why things are the way they are. And we have to remember that and appreciate that because all farming practices are different. So this has been bubbling really nicely, as you can see. I'm going to turn off the heat and just let it rest for a minute. And I'm just going to slice because I have them. You don't need to run out and get these. It's just because I have them. And my girlfriend Christina, who's sitting over there, goes, how does baby corn come about? And I was like, that's the corn when it's super, super young. And then it grows into those amazing cobs that we just put in there. I just want this extra bit because it just adds a depth and, a little bit of garnish to the situation at hand, which is kind of cool. So I'm just slicing this thinly. Pop that aside. And then we'll have our lovely coriander. Now this coriander has no roots on it. I know, right? Thank you, whoever did this in a shop. Like normally I've got to wash it and get the roots off. And sometimes I really want the roots for things for like curries and stuff, But this is beautiful. So I'm using the stalks from the base upwards to the leaves. And I want to keep just a few of those leaves for garnish because it looks pretty. And the chef in me can't help myself. Now watch what I'm doing. I'm just kind of rolling the leaves like this and just making sure they all come together as I'm pinching and cutting them so that's all the right size. Done. I know, right? This is excellent, excellent. I have my blender here. I'm going to remove the corn cobs. Straight into the bin.
When I was a kid, I used to suck them. It actually absorbs a lot of liquid.
Yes, 100%. That's so cute. That's so cute. I'm going to take those Kafir lime leaves out. Okay. Then I want to take half of this mix. Now my blender can handle heat because it's a Vitamix. If you don't have a blender jug that can't handle heat, allow it to cool down. I want some texture, so I'm going to put half of it in here and I'm going to leave half of it in the pot. Now remember, in all my videos, I say this often, do not put a lid on heat because it will explode You got to let that little bit of heat come out. So what I do is get that in my tamper and just this to the side, and then I want full speed. Nice and silky, and I want a big pot. I know there's quite a few of us, but I'm going to put it into one big local pot that we love in Indonesia. It's just so cool. I'm going to dump this amazing leftover chunks of corn and capsicum and all the glory that's there into there. Have a look at this. I'm going to pour that creamy deliciousness on top. I know, yum, right? Then I'm going to scatter this across here into it, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to stir that through. Have a look, because this is what's just going to bring it home. All this coriander and yumminess. Just beautiful colour, really beautiful colour. And then a little bit more corn on top, and then those lovely leaves. And that is it. Have a look, Dee.
Is it time to eat already?
It's time to eat already.
Oh my god, you changed a little bit of ingredients and it tastes different.
Yeah, it's completely different. Excuse me. I need to get some flowers. Dee can take over. Okay, I'm coming back in, I'm coming back in, I'm coming back in. Are you ready?
Oh,
Where did it go?
got it already.
Where did it go?
These stole it.
Dee, do you... I walked out for 5 minutes, 10 seconds, 5 seconds to get flowers, and you left. Come, bring me that dish. Bring me the dish, bring me the dish, bring me the dish, bring me the dish. You're like a child. Oh my God. Oh my God, I love this chopping board right now. Look at all this glory on there. I just want to put some flowers in there, you know, because I have them.
I just want to put my spoon in there, you know.
Have a look. Look at that.
Okay, I'm just going to take some.
And that to me is just a beautiful way to celebrate corn. Look at it. It's like a newborn child, really.
The corn is also very sweet today.
Good.
It's yummy.
Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.